GCSE Maths. Welcome. Are you excited for a fun learning session? Make sure you have your book and a pen before we start. Today you are going to learn about fractions. Fractions. The denominator is the number on the bottom of the fraction. The numerator is the number on the top of the fraction. A mixed number is a whole number and a fraction, for example 1/2. A proper fraction is a fraction that has a numerator that is larger than the denominator. An improper fraction is a fraction that has a denominator that is larger than or equal to the numerator. To convert between a mixed number and an improper fraction, multiply the whole number by the denominator and add this to the numerator. To convert between an improper fraction and a mixed number, the numerator should be divided by the denominator. The whole number is written to the side and the remainder is the numerator. When adding, subtracting, multiplying or dividing fractions, the fraction should not be a mixed number. If the question contains a mixed number, convert to an improper fraction before proceeding. If the answer is improper, convert to a mixed number. Remember always to simplify. To add fractions when the bottom numbers are the same, the bottom number is left the same and the top numbers are added. This can also be written as: when adding or subtracting a fraction with different bottom numbers, the first step is to convert the fractions so they both have the same denominators. Always remember to check if it is possible to simplify at the end. To subtract fractions when the bottom numbers are the same, the bottom number is left the same and the top numbers are taken away from each other. This can also be written as: if the denominator is a multiple of the numerator or both the numerator and the denominator are multiples of the same number, the fraction can be simplified. When adding or subtracting a fraction with different bottom numbers, the first step is to convert the fractions so they both have the same denominators. Remember to check if the fraction can be simplified. To multiply fractions, simply multiply the top numbers together and then multiply the bottom numbers together. It does not matter as the denominators are different. This can also be written as: to divide fractions, simply turn the second fraction upside down and proceed as a multiplication. It does not matter if the denominators are different. This can also be written as: